Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Nokia comes back. About 10 years ago, it was the leader on phone market, but after the release of first smartphone with touchscreen, it had bad times. The sales drops, the company was sold to Microsoft, then to another manufacturer, and so on. However, now Nokia is releasing very interesting devices. The latest phone called Nokia X6 looks very decent. Earlier, it was known as Nokia X, but the company decided to name Nokia X6. New phone is powered by Snapdragon 636 chipset and its price starts from $200. Do you know another budget phone on Snapdragon 636? Yes, it is Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. These phones have similar specifications and price, but design is completely different. So we decided to compare these devices and find out which is better to buy in 2018. The main difference between Nokia X6 2018 and Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro is design. Nokia phone follows the latest trend and it has a notch above the display. Perhaps you don't like this, but the fact Nokia X6 has much thinner bezels around the display. Also, it has smaller display than Redmi Note 5 Pro, so it has more compact size. I really like it. The front and back panels of Nokia X6 are made of glass, while the frame is metal. On the back you can find dual vertical camera, flashlight and fingerprint reader. The smartphone comes with USB Type-C port and 3.5mm audio jack. If we talk about Redmi Note 5 Pro, it doesn't differ much from other Xiaomi devices in 2018. The back panel also has dual vertical camera, but it is located in the upper left corner. The fingerprint reader is in the center. One of the main drawbacks of Redmi Note 5 Pro is micro USB port. Fortunately, it still has 3.5mm audio jack. So I like Nokia X6 design more because it looks premium and original. Also, it has more compact size and less weight than Redmi Note 5 Pro. Nokia X6 received first point from me. As I already said, Nokia X6 comes with smaller display, but not too much. It has a diagonal of 5.8 inches against 5.99 inches in Redmi Note 5 Pro. Also, Nokia phone has Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2280 pixels, 19 by 9 aspect ratio and about 80.3% of screen-to-body ratio. As for Redmi Note 5 Pro, it also has Full HD Plus resolution, but 18 by 9 aspect ratio. So the screen resolution is 1080 by 2160 pixels. The screen-to-body ratio is 77.4%. On practice, Nokia X6 display looks very good. The bezels around the screen much thinner than Redmi Note 5 Pro, while the notch above the display is not annoying. Another point from me to Nokia X6. As for the hardware, these phones look identical. They are powered by Snapdragon 636 chipset with 1.8 GHz, 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. Both phones support microSD memory cards up to 256 GB. The performance should be the same on these phones, but it also depends on user interface. Nokia X6 runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. It seems this is stock Android. Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro runs on Android 7.1 Nougat out of the box, but now it has updated to Android Oreo. Xiaomi phones run on MIUI 9 user interface, and it is very customized UI. In general, Nokia X6 and Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro have the same chipset, RAM and storage, so I cannot choose a winner. Both of them received by 1 point from me. Also, Nokia X6 and Redmi Note 5 Pro have similar cameras. The first phone comes with 16MP main sensor and 5MP secondary sensor on the back. Also, there is 16MP camera on the front with f2.0 aperture. If we talk about Redmi Note 5 Pro, it has 13 and 5MP sensors on the back and 20MP sensor on the front. We already saw real sample photos from both phones and image quality is very similar. Nokia X6 has a little better rear camera, while Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with a little better front camera. In general, you will not notice a big difference. There is no winner in this category, both phones are equal. Xiaomi phones are famous for its big batteries, and Redmi Note 5 Pro is one of them. It comes with 4000 mAh battery with Quick Charge 2.0 technology. Nokia X6 is equipped with 3060 mAh battery, but it has USB Type-C port and Quick Charge 3.0 technology. It means that full battery charge takes less time. However, Redmi Note 5 Pro has bigger battery and longer battery life, so it received 1 point from me. The official price of Nokia X6 starts from $200, just like Redmi Note 5 Pro. From the start of sales, Nokia X6 may cost a little more, but after some weeks the prices on these phones will be the same. As you can see, Nokia X6 has 5 points, while Redmi Note 5 Pro scores 4 points. Personally, I prefer Nokia X6 because it has original design with glass back panel. From other side, Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with longer battery life. As for other features, they are very similar between these phones. What about you? Which phone would you like to buy, Nokia X6 or Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.